Hello everyone, it's the MetaVerse Explorer. This is an urgent announcement. Please revoke all of your access to your wallet. Move everything you have onto a ledger because in Solana, there is an exploit happening right now. If you're watching this video, as soon as it releases, then it's out. Okay, so this is Tom. He's responsible for Solport Tom, which is like a DeFi application on Solana. And he's detailing here, there's a massive exploit going on with Solana. He's seeing it live right now. And you can actually look at the wallet that's draining all of the accounts right now, okay? People are saying that this is from Solana, which is like a gambling application on Solana. Whenever you connect a wallet to one of these applications, you give it permission to use some of the tokens in your wallet. Some of the ones you can, some of these applications, you can see outright which permissions it's asking for. Sometimes when you click approve, it might ask you to say approve everything in your wallet, unlimited amount of that item for it to be sold. This is what's happened now in Solana. We're having a shift going from NFTs to gambling, a lot of coin flipping, like you flip this coin and if it lands on heads, you get twice your money. Of course, someone else loses their money. A lot of this stuff is happening at the moment. So let's go ahead and look at the Sol scan and look at this guy who's draining a lot of wallets at the moment. This was probably a program. It was set up immediately and look at this, 1 minute ago, 4 minutes ago, it's draining stuff. It currently has $2.34 million in it at the moment. You can see it's got 2.3K of USDC, 165,000 UST, STR tokens, 52,000, key from Genopets, FPHY, don't know them. It's got 19,000 in BTC, nearly 1 Bitcoin. Very nice exploit. Dust from DGod, Samo, oh, look at that, even Star Atlas, even GMT as well, $8,000 in GMT. It's got MSOL. So this token, this exploit is draining people. Someone's lost 12 Solana, 24 Solana, 34 Solana, 42 Solana. Oh my God. And these are all happening within the 1 hour period before. And you can just see all of these different tokens from people's accounts coming into this one account. So this is an announcement for you to revoke all your access. If you don't know how, find out how, because you have given access. If you do a lot of gambling, if you're a degenerate on Solana, you've given access for people to come and kind of take your tokens away. So be cautious, use a ledger. Make sure that you have to sign the transaction yourself before it moves out of your before it moves out of your accounts. How do you do that? You get a ledger, hardware support, okay? If you've got a hot wallet, man, good luck to you. I'm going to leave it here. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Dancing Pepe, he has lost so much money on this exploit. It's not funny. And look, we can see another second wallet as well, just draining USDC, draining FTT. This is good to see on chain. This is the beauty of happening on chain, right? Awesome. Ciao for now.